everyone, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. We are Greg and Jess. Lupe is back there, and we are going on an adventure today in our new truck. Greg just picked up the 2023 Chevy Colorado ZR2 about 4 days ago, and we're gonna go, what?
4 days already?
Fridays, 2 days ago?
2 days.
Doesn't matter. We're gonna go drive some dirt roads and find a cool mountain lake to hang out in today.
And tell you about our warranty issue we have already. That I figured out on the last video, but I didn't know what was going on. But if you look, I can't turn my right turn signal on. And if I go left turn signal, that's fine. I can turn it off. Oh, I'm in right again.
Ooh. So
it seems to be getting stuck, and it keeps saying we're going left when we're not. So, gotta get that worked out.
If you guys want to support us, feel free to shop through our links in the description of the video. Otherwise, drop us a question, say hi, we'd love to hear from you. And let's get into today's adventure. We're here.
We made it. You
excited?
You excited? She jumped all the way in the front seat without any assistance, which she shouldn't have done. Yep, she wants to get out.
If you guys are new to the channel, she's an older dog from Mexico that needs a new knee, so that's impressive for her. Okay. She's going for it.
You happy to be out?
Where? Ooh, let's go look at this snake. Ooh. That's cool. Right, we are headed up to a trail. Since it's windy at the lake, we're gonna go, ooh, remote start. Nice.
So I mean, realistically, we get this thing figured out. Yeah, the air should turn on.
Ooh.
So that
yeah, this fancy business.
It pre-cools us down.
That's in case you forgot that you bought a Chevy, I guess.
Yeah. Everybody, let's take a quick second to talk about the sponsor for this video and let you know how to get a discount on their products. This video is sponsored by Epic Water Filters. They're out of Colorado. They have water filters that go in Nalgene's for when you're hiking, and they also have products to filter tap water at your house. Check out their website. We got a link below for them, and use code DRIFTERJOURNEY, all caps, to get 20% off your order.
There's fire across the valley.
We had some lightning roll through last week, right? I guess it would have been this week, technically.
I don't know what day.
But there's a bunch of fires popping up. Sometimes it takes a couple days. And it's windy, and it looks like one just popped up.
Yeah. I try to figure out where it is and call it in later.
Maybe. Come. Leave it. Yeah, it's the babies.
Lupe.
Hey, hey, leave it. Hey, leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
Did you see where it went?
There's a couple of them in the tree, I think. There goes one of them. There's probably a bunch of them in there. Grouse or ptarmigan? It might have been ptarmigan. They're all getting split up. That one's going really far from Mom.
They'll find each other again. Yeah, I'm going with ptarmigan, but I don't know. Can never tell the difference.
Probably been the best view of the whole hike right here.
We saw lots of flowers.
Yeah.
We're almost back to the car. We saw lots of flowers, lots of plants that should have fruit, but no fruit, so we didn't get a snack along the way this time. But overall, a nice trail.